this working? Let me see. Hello, people. Oh dear. Okie doke. So, I just was inspired by Low Level, and yeah. How do you like this? He's very cool. I was trying to rename something. I'm not sure why I didn't just use MV, because you can use it for moving, but you can also, if you want to change the name of yeah, hold on, I need to, if you want to change the name of something, you can just like pretend you're moving it. So say I've got one called HIA, and I want to change it to that. Then I can just do that, and then when I look at it, see, there it is there. But there's also rename, and for some reason I was looking at rename, so I'm not sure why, and I just wanted to change a whole bunch of files, and so I just, like, they all had A's on them, so I just went I went and had a look on something, and I tried using they had, like, they were rename. Yeah, I've never used it before, but when I looked it up online, it had like a Z format. One of the where is it? So I was looking at something here. I think it was this one. Is it this one? But anyway, it had this like said expression there, so I was trying that, but that doesn't work for me because I use Arch, and they use a different what's it called, like utility or whatever. Yeah, so they have a different, they've got one that is from Perl or something. Here, it explains it in here. I read this article. So there's different types of rename. The confusing part is that there are two. Yeah, there's two versions. So one's like a Perl, and you use the it looks like said when you're doing the how you want to rename it, but with the Linux one, you put rename, and then you just put what it is you want to rename and what you want it to be, and then just which files. So if I want to rename, and then I want to change everything with H to, maybe I want to just get rid of all the H's, and then I can just say for all the text files, and fingers crossed this works. So then when we look at it, it's gotten rid of all the H's. Yeah. Yay! I was talking to Disco Dog last time, and he showed me cheat.sh, and I had no idea what I was looking at, to be honest. But yeah, I played around with it after. So you can put in things here. It's got all the different, and you can use curl on your terminal and find the different cheat sheets. It's pretty cool, and there's a GitHub repository. But this one here, I thought I opened, yeah. So this was pretty cool. Oh, I can hardly see that. It's all fuzzy. I wonder why that's all fuzzy. Oh well, it's bigger anyway now. I've used BC before, but then I saw and I saw, what else? Calendar or something? Cal? Yeah, I didn't know about that. Cal comes up with the date, and I've used BC where you go echo. Oh, can you see that? I'll do it up. If I go clear. Oh. So then it's a bit easier to see. And you go echo. I think I had to install BC. I don't think it came with like 4 plus 5. 5. And then pipe it through to BC, and then it comes with the answer. And then I saw there's, oh, now it's way too big. Okay, I saw, is it DC? CD? No, not CD. CD's just to change directory. DC, desk calculator. I've never seen that one before. Is it? So you go, yeah, I've never used that one. So you go DC, and then you go 4, 5 plus, and then P to print it, I guess. I guess that's what the P stands for. And fingers crossed it'll work. Ah, what have I done wrong? Okay, I'll try that. Echo 4, 5, oh, space 5 space plus, and then P, and pipe it through to DC. Let's see. Ah, it worked there. Okay. And if I go DC, oh, whoops. What's this 3? I've never seen this. 1, 2, 3. What's that? 4, 5 plus P. Space. Ah, not capital. Ah, let's see if that works. Ah, okay. Well, that works. So it's supposed to be does it say the format on here? Not too sure, but anyway, I promise you before I was doing it the other way where I just put DC and then the other things and it worked. So I'm not, oh yeah, this one I shared this one with him because he was talking about cron jobs, and I saw have you heard about this story? It says based on a true story. I don't know how true it is. And it says, okay, so our build engineer has left for another company. The dude was literally living inside the terminal. You know the type, a guy who loves Vim, creates diagrams in Dot and writes wiki posts in Markdown. If anything requires more than 90 seconds of his time, he writes a script to automate it. So he had like all these scripts, And it was really funny. He had this one where he had one when his wife sends a text message late at work to his wife, automatically picks reasons from an array of strings, and then runs inside randomly run inside a cron job. The job fires if there's an active SSH session on the server after 9 p.m. with his login. And then there was one, this one cracked me up here. It's like, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's real. I don't know if it's real, but it's really funny. Yeah. And it says, looks for, so it finds emails from a guy called Kumar, looks for keywords like help, trouble, sorry, and then if those keywords are found, then the script SSHs into the client server and rolls back the staging database to the latest backup, then sends a reply, no worries mate, be careful next time. Yeah. It's got a hangover script. And then this one about the coffee. It says, this one waits exactly 17 seconds, then opens a telnet session to our coffee machine. We had no idea the coffee machine is on the network. Runs Linux and has a TCP socket up and running, and sends something like sys brew. Turns out this thing starts brewing a mid-sized half cafe latte and waits another 24 seconds before pouring it into a cup. The timing is exactly how long it takes to walk to the machine from the dude's desk. Yeah, that cracked me up. And it's got all the scripts here, I think. Coffee. Is it? Oh, has someone? It's in PowerShell, so that'll be Microsoft. There's the bash script. Some people are clever. I mean, like, if it's not real, then they spent a lot of time writing the the scripts. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I can't think of anything else, but it's been lovely talking, and I think I'll end the stream too. And everyone have a lovely day and have a lovely night. And okay, I'll end the stream. Okay.